my YouTube channel. My name is Freddy Moa. Today I bring you lesson number 3 on how to play chord songs on piano. Today I'll be teaching you how to use your chords combined with scale, something like this. Where you are going to combine your chords and piano. The previous 2 lessons I was teaching you about scale, and the next one I was teaching you about chords. So today I'm teaching you how to combine them. Remember, if you haven't watched the last previous lesson number 1 and lesson number 2, there is a notification up here. Just press it and you'll be able to watch those videos. Let's get into our lesson. We don't want to waste our time, so let's get started in our lesson. Thank you. So guys, we are on our piano and we are going to start with this song called Kazi, Mikono, yako, Kazi, Mikono, yako. I know you understand that song. So this song we are going to start with scale. Scale is this. We play from here, from this G, up G. We start from here. Just press this, and this. So you press like this. But you have to play it fast, huh? It's supposed to be like that. Then after that, I'm going to be very clear about this. I don't want to play something that will complicate you on this lesson. So just repeat the same thing like that. Repeat this and this. Okay, after that we are going to play our chord like this. You go to this G, then this G, back to this G, then you go to D, then back to the first G. So combined, it will be played like this. Then we go to the next part, we play like this. Let me show you the chord that I'm using. The first I'm using this G. This I'm starting here my chords. Here on this G. Let me play with this finger so that you can see. I'm starting with this G. This is called G. So we are playing. This is B, D, G. This is an inversion. We talked on the previous lessons about inversions. So if you haven't watched, go back to those lessons and you will understand what is called inversion. So this and this are G. So you are going to play this inversion. You are going to start with the second inversion because we have the first G, first inversion, second inversion. So we play this first inversion. You play like that. Just press like this, huh? Then you go to the next G. You listen. 1, 2, 3. It's 3 times. We are starting. 1, 2, 3. But this you are going faster than the first one. So you are playing. Then after that you go back to this 1. You press 1 there, second inversion, then so you will play like this. Repeat that. So if we start from our scale, we said we are playing. So it will be like this when we combine the 2 parts. It will be like this. Yeah, I hope you have understood that part. I always tell you, you have to practice your piano so that you can get what? You can play well. So you start like this. I want to show you the next part. The next part we are going to play like this. So the next part we are going to start with this, the last inversion or the second inversion of G. We are going to play. Let me break the chords how I have played. I have started here, G, this G, this last inversion. Then I went to the inversion of C. This is C, C, E, G. This is what we call the C chord. So playing this, I'm playing it as and the second inversion. So I'm playing it here. This is the C. So we go to C, G, we go to E, G, C. This is E, G, C, the inversion. So we start. Then after that, we go back to this. We go back to the first one. We go back. Yeah, we are using the inversion of this chord. So practicing that what will make you perfect playing the Catholic piano. So let me combine the first part and the second part and let us see how we are playing. After there, that's when you are going to welcome the right hand. Remember, we have started playing with the left hand, so let me show you how to play the combined. The left hand, then you combine with the right hand. This is G, we said is G, so we are going to hold the bass, this side, G. We are going to hold this G, one note. That way we are going, so we are going to play like this. You combine this G with the left hand. But the second inversion of G, you are going to play this. You are going to play with B. Your left hand, you are going to hold B with the note of B. So you are going to play like this. Here we are going to hold, we can hold this, we can use on D, we can use D, or we can use A. In our right hand. So this is like saying, using our right hand we are holding this. When we hold G this side, we can hold the other side G using our left hand. When we hold this, we can hold D on this side, but the other side we hold one note, that is called D. And then when we hold C, we can hold C, and then we can hold the other side C. Right hand we hold the chord of C. Now this side we hold the note of C. So if we combine the bass, we are going to play it like this. That way we are going to welcome our drums. And guys, after this I'm going to play this song. When I welcome the drum set, we are going to use Ibiza kick for this song. Let me find my drums here. We are going to use number 42 Ibiza on our piano. So the first thing is to tap the tempo. And guys, if you haven't subscribed, just go subscribe to this channel. I'm going to play this this song, and we are going to meet on the next lesson. Remember the fourth lesson, and you have to watch the other 2 previous lessons so that you can understand your Catholic piano fully. Let me start playing my song. So thank you guys, I know you have enjoyed the lesson. My name, as I told you, is Freddy Moore, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you can get more and more Catholic lesson. And guys, if you have subscribed and you haven't pressed the notification bell down below, just press it so that when I release another lesson or the next lesson I'm going to release, you will be the first one to get the link to that lesson. So guys, I am happy for you, and I know you are going to understand your piano quite well, and I just pray for God blessing so that you can know to play the Catholic piano. Guys, till next time, let's meet again. My name is Freddy Moore. Thank you so much, and let's meet on the next lesson. Bye bye.